Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode is titled Empowering Digital Lives, Advances in Human-Computer Interaction, with insights from 11 research papers released on June 28, 2025. This journey explores the latest breakthroughs in human-computer interaction, or HCI, with a focus on inclusion, ethics, and intelligent technology. The discussion highlights the real-world impact of these advances, covering topics such as safety, health, and digital empowerment. Join us as we examine key themes and look ahead to the future directions of HCI. In this presentation, a comprehensive overview of this month's HCI research will be provided. The main themes emerging from the arXiv preprint server in June 2025 will be unpacked, including a focused analysis on 3 seminal studies and their broader impact. Listeners will gain an understanding of critical research methods and technical concepts, explore key findings, and consider what the future holds for human-computer interaction. The stage is set for technology that not only serves, but truly empowers everyone. Human-computer interaction, or HCI, is the interdisciplinary field that studies how people engage with computers and digital systems. HCI integrates principles from computer science, psychology, design, and ethics to shape the digital experiences encountered daily, such as mobile apps, video games, and healthcare tools. This discipline is central to advancing accessibility, promoting inclusion, and enhancing digital well-being. HCI is a driving force for innovation, working toward a more equitable and user-centered digital world. The first major theme is accessibility and inclusion in digital worlds. Modern technology must empower a diverse range of users, removing barriers rather than simply adding features. Research by Q and colleagues introduces AI frameworks that enable blind and low-vision gamers to play mainstream video games previously inaccessible to them. In parallel, Anastasio's team investigates immersive technologies designed to facilitate elderly users' engagement with virtual environments. These efforts underscore that inclusion is foundational to contemporary HCI and essential for building accessible digital experiences for all. The second theme centers on ethical design and harm reduction. Protecting vulnerable users from digital manipulation is an urgent priority. Khan and colleagues develop games that teach children to recognize and resist deceptive online designs, often referred to as dark patterns. Wang's team applies AI to support harm reduction for individuals using drugs, aiming to lessen online risks and facilitate safer digital engagement. Early education and transparency emerge as key strategies, shifting the focus from basic safety to true digital empowerment for at-risk populations. Theme 3 explores AI-augmented support and societal impact. A central question is whether AI can help individuals think more critically and make better decisions. Sangwon and colleagues present an AI interface designed to address the spread of misinformation, empowering users to evaluate digital content thoughtfully. Rocha's team leverages deep learning to detect early signs of cognitive decline using only eye movement data. Meanwhile, Moisikwa contributes a cautionary perspective, warning that AI systems risk flattening cultural diversity. Collaboration and culture thus take center stage in these technological advances. The fourth theme is memory, visualization, and interaction innovation. Research in this area seeks to make digital interactions richer and more meaningful. Lee and collaborators introduce Memory as a Service, a framework that enables collaborative AI systems to share and combine knowledge for improved teamwork. Lu's team pioneers the use of multimodal interfaces, combining voice, gesture, and touch for immersive medical data visualization. Bell's research presents novel methods to reduce visual clutter in 3D displays, enhancing clarity. Together, these efforts highlight the importance of intuitive, multimodal interaction for next-generation digital experiences. Key findings from this body of research demonstrate technology's potential as a tool for empowerment. Early education, as shown by Khan et al., inoculates children against manipulative online tactics. Rocha et al. Reveal that eye movement analysis can enable scalable, affordable screening for dementia. Sangwon's AI-powered tools foster trust and critical thinking in assessing digital media. Q's accessibility frameworks open digital worlds to all users. While Lee's memory-sharing approach enhances collaboration among AI agents. These breakthroughs collectively point toward a future where technology adapts to and supports every individual. A variety of rigorous research methods underpin these advances in HCI. User-centered design processes engage real users to ensure solutions address genuine needs. Controlled experiments provide strong evidence by testing interventions in systematic settings. Deep learning uncovers subtle behavioral patterns, enabling nuanced analysis of user interactions. Gamification is utilized to increase engagement and make learning interactive, as seen in educational games. Conceptual frameworks and position papers shape new research questions and guide the development of future technologies. The first featured study is Mind the Dark, a gamified exploration of deceptive design awareness for children in the digital age, authored by Khan et al. This research demonstrates how gamified education can arm children against manipulative online patterns. By simulating real digital scenarios, the game teaches children to identify and resist dark patterns, resulting in greater confidence and critical skills. Notably, younger users exhibit the most significant improvement. This work establishes a blueprint for digital citizenship education and is recognized for its actionable insights and real-world impact. The next spotlighted paper, Deep Learning in Mild Cognitive Impairment Diagnosis Using Eye Movements and Image Content in Visual Memory Tasks by Rocha and colleagues, illustrates medical innovation through interdisciplinary collaboration. Eye tracking, combined with deep learning algorithms, is used to detect early cognitive decline. The approach matches traditional methods in sensitivity and specificity while remaining non-invasive and scalable for wider screening. This study bridges technology and clinical neuroscience, offering a promising path for accessible early diagnosis of cognitive impairment. Another influential study is Context, Credibility, and Control, User Reflections on AI-Assisted Misinformation Tools, presented by Sangwon et al. This research moves beyond simple true or false labels by equipping AI systems to explain, contextualize, and debate digital information. Users express a clear preference for tools that support their own judgments, with transparency and user control emerging as critical factors in building trust. By prioritizing empowerment, this work advances the societal relevance and thoughtful design of misinformation detection tools. Looking ahead, several future directions emerge for HCI research. Scaling up studies will be crucial to achieving broader and more diverse impact. The design of robust, multimodal, and ethically grounded AI interfaces is a priority. Co-design with communities will foster lasting, context-sensitive solutions. Researchers must balance personalization with privacy while supporting critical thinking among users. Cross-disciplinary collaboration will continue to drive inclusive innovation, ensuring that technological advances remain accessible and relevant. The synthesis and review presented in this episode were generated using GPT 4.1 by OpenAI, with additional support from OpenAI's text-to-speech and image generation tools where applicable. All content has been reviewed by human experts for accuracy and clarity, though some oversights may still exist. Listeners are encouraged to consult the cited papers for in-depth details. Full references are available for those who wish to explore further. In this podcast, the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI are delivered directly from the arXiv preprint server. Topics range from neural networks to quantum computing, with complex research distilled for accessibility. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or technology enthusiast, AI Frontiers ensures you stay informed daily. Thank you for joining us. If this episode was valuable, please subscribe for daily updates. More cutting-edge AI insights will be shared tomorrow. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv preprint server content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv preprint server.